Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to make an open and close GUI. This video will feature the one where you just open this, and then when you have the menu, you can close it with the X, whatever. This will show also if you wanted a blur behind it whenever you open the GUI, it'll show that. And we will just show it without the blur and without the extra button. Now let's jump right into it. First, obviously, we're going to create the GUI. The first one we're going to do is the most simple one without the blur and without the extra button. So first, we're going to go and rename this to Open GUI. Now we're going to create a frame to make it as our menu. So let me quickly grab that. Wait, now before I do anything wrong, let me quickly size it down correctly. There we go. As you can see, right here, it does not really look that good. And what I want to do is, instead of having it to be on the offset, I'm going to transfer it to the scale, which I have with this plugin. Unit conversion, scale, scale. There we go. Now, as you see, everything is set to scale. Now, I can actually create my GUI. So, let's say we have a menu for whenever we want to have game passes. So let's call it menu. Then we're gonna add a button, and we're just gonna call it open. And then same thing. I want to grab the plugin, unit conversion, scale, offset, boom, done. Then it'll look something like that. And then you just resize it to whatever you want. Let's say that. There you go. Now inside the open script and a local script inside of it, we're going to just create some quick variables. We're going to get the button. So we're going to do buttons equal to script.parent. I'm going to do menu. Whoops, I forgot to add the local part, guys. Sorry. So we're going to do local button. Whoops, button is equal to script.parent, and we're going to do local menu is equal to script.parent.parent.menu. What this is doing is it's going to the script's parent, which is open, and open is going to its parent, which is open menu, and then inside it's going to basically, this extra dot here acts as a wait for chat, and it looks for the menu. Now let's do this. Now let's do what you came here to do. So we're going to do button.mouse button one up. We're going to connect a function, and we're just going to have nothing in the parameter. This function will open and close our menu, our GUI. So we're going to do if menu.visible will equal to false, then we're going to do menu.visible will equal to true. So we're going to do else if menu.visible is equal to true, then oops, let me get backspace once. There we go. We're going to do menu.visible will equal let's say false. There we go. That's it. Not that hard at all. Oh, and make sure when you're doing this, your menu is invisible, or just set visibility to false. So now when I play, as you can see, when I click this button, my menu appears. And when I go and size it down, it shrinks along. Either way. So let me quickly do the output, and it shrinks along with it. This is very good for GUI, like iPad players and so on and so forth. So now let's go to the blur part. So what we're going to do is inside lighting, we're going to add a blur effect, and we're just going to disable it. Now, back into the script, we're going to quickly verify blur. There we go. So we're going to do local blur is equal to game get service. We're going to get the lighting. We're going to wait for the child blur. What this is doing, it's getting the game service lighting, and then it's going inside of lighting and looking for blur, which is this. Now, whenever I go here, let's go and do blur dot enabled will equal to true. And we're going to do the same thing here, but instead it'll be false. We're going to do blur dot enabled will equal false. Let's see if my recorder is still recording. Good, it's still recording. Because last time I did this, it stopped recording and I did the whole video. Alright, now, as you came here to see, again, we're going to check if the blur works when I click this button. Boom, the blur works. When I click it again, it disappears. Great. Now, let's go and make it so they're separate buttons. So I'm going to go duplicate this open button, and I'm going to go place it inside of the menu. And let's set the menu's visibility to true for this. I'm going to go quickly make the button over here, and I'm going to set this button background color to red to make it look like it's like an off, and then the green one over here will be for like an on, like open, and red will be close. That's how we'll do it. Then inside of your open script, we're going to go and delete the first part of the script. If menu.visible, blah 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 blah. But then we can't have this else if statement. So let me click delete the else if statement, and this is how your new script should look with the blur effect. Hold on, I did it wrong. Hold on. Actually, you're supposed to delete the bottom one. So undo everything you did and delete the bottom one. Here we go. That's how it's supposed to work. So if the menu is visible as false, blah 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 blah. And we're gonna do button dot not name. We're gonna do visible will equal false. So now whenever we click the menu button, this button right here, you will not see the button. Now let's go into let's rename our red button to close. There we go. Now inside that local script, delete the other one so you don't know, unless you remember that's the wrong one. We're gonna go and delete the top one this time. We're gonna remove the else from it, else if. Then what we're going to do is quickly just do button dot visible will equal to I keep on forgetting that word. It's a true, yeah, true. But I almost forgot right here that the button we're talking about is actually not the button we need. So we're gonna quickly keep that button. We're gonna do local other button will equal to script.parent. Hold on, I'm quickly trying to remember. Then we'll go to the close. We're gonna have to do another dot parent. Dot parent dot. Let's do open. There we go. So we're gonna do other button. Other button. Hold on, wait, guys. Just give me a second. Other button dot visible will equal true. There we go. Now that should work. Uh-oh. I forgot to set the visibility to frame menu visibility to false. Do I still get the error? Yes, I do. Menu script dot. It should be script dot. Oops. Hold on, guys. In your closed script, go back and I made this mistake again. In the menu, on the menu verification, delete the extra parent. So we're going to do script.parent.menu. I think that should work now. I assume it should work. Just look at the error. Yep, I still do. Hold on. Let me quickly go check. So yeah, this is the close scripts we're gonna do. Menu. Okay, so we're gonna do script. I'm supposed to do 3 parents, guys. Sorry. Hold on. Make sure you're stopped the game. We go back and we're gonna add two more parents. Parent.parent. There we go. There we go. I got everything we need. Now, if the output will stop screaming at me, it should work. The button is gone. Our menu's up. And if I click this, the blur goes away. Now, that is how you make either 3 of them. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.